Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can renew your work permit in Canada as a refugee claimant. So as a refugee claimant, you can usually apply to extend your work permit as long as your refugee claim is still in process and you have not been ordered to leave Canada. So they recommend starting your work permit renewal process at least 3 months before your current permit expires. So processing times can be over 200 days. So applying early helps ensure you can continue working without interruption. So in here, if you click on this one, you can check the IRCC processing times in Canada. So to continue working, you must renew your work permit before it expires. So as long as the application is received before the expiration date, you can continue working until you receive your new work permit. So you can continue to work even though your SIN is expired if you have applied for a new renewal of a work or study permit and your permit expires before a decision is made, or have received an email confirming your permit has been approved and you are waiting for the work or study permit in the mail. Now, once you have received your new official immigration document from IRCC, you must apply to Service Canada to update the expiry date of your SIN record to match the expiry date of your permit. Now, if you want more information, you can visit the link in here. And if you want to apply by yourself, follow the instructions below. If you need further help, here is the list of organizations that help with work permits. So for the online application, you will typically need copy of your current work permit, copy of your passport, which is all the pages with stamps or the info if available, copy of your Refugee Protection Claimant Document or the RPCD, proof of immigration medical exam, IME, if you have completed an immigration medical exam in the past 5 years and it is indicated no risk to public health or safety, you might be exempt from another exam. A digital photo, and also IMM 57110 form. This is the application to change conditions, extend my stay or remain in Canada as a worker. And then you just have to create or log into your IRCC account. So you can click on this one to log in. You can log in or create GC key or sign in partner account. And then from there, you can start a new application. So you just have to choose apply to come Canada, then work permit, and then answer the questions to generate your personal document checklist. And then select I am applying to extend my work permit or continue working in Canada as a refugee claimant. And then you just have to submit all the documents, follow the checklist generated. So the application fee is usually CAD, which is 155 CAD dollars. So if you're a refugee claimant, it is free. So if your biometrics are still valid, they are still valid for 10 years, you don't need to redo them. So just submit and wait. So after submission, you will get a confirmation message. Update through your IRCC account. So the processing time can vary. So usually several weeks. So that's pretty much it. If you want the paper application, you can also just visit this link. I'm going to link it down below so you can just visit it. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.